gonna wait till it was nighttime to record this, but uh, the nice full moon vibes and stuff. But I'm just gonna talk about it now, because why not? So I was reminded today about this experience that I term waking up into consciousness, and it feels that way, so that's why I call it that. And essentially, okay, so let's go back. Let's go back into the history of Ajale. And the history of Ajale is like, I was raised in Mormonism, and raised male, and all this shit. Because of that, I have this defense mechanism where I just retreated back into my mind. I lived my whole life just inside my mind. I had extensive daydreams that I just, that's my memories from childhood are just the memories of those daydreams, basically. So because of that, I just never was living my life. I let my id or whatever else do all the talking for me, and I got very, very good at it. So I lived this way until I was 27, and I was married. I had a kid. I was working a job at night and sleeping during the day. And one day, I was just like, I'm gonna kill myself now. I'm gonna kill myself now, because this is not good. This position I'm in, this way of living or whatever, is just no bueno. And so I remember being in the bathroom and waking up, and it came along with this like dream. There was like blood on my arms. This is real though. The blood on my arms was real, and I was in the bathroom, and I was in the tub, and I was like looking up. I could see the wallpaper that just like was pulled off of the wall because of the humidity in the bathroom. Had destroyed the adhesive, and there's like black mold growing everywhere, and I had this like waking vision dream thing where I came to like I was like contemplating suicide, and also like I wasn't contemplating suicide. I was thinking about the ramifications of suicide, and it was like this moment of clarity where it was like, well, if I'm gonna kill myself, what does that mean? And it's like, well, everyone that I care about, everything that I care about, like everyone and everything that cares about me, it all just ends, right? It's they all deal with that situation in whatever ways they do, and that's going to be a painful thing, right? Like, it's a painful thing. It's probably like the most painful thing you can do to the world or whatever, depending on how loved you are. But okay, so if I'm willing to do that, then are there other options? And it was like, well, I could just do whatever I want then, right? Like, if I'm already willing to do that, then I can literally do anything. And this moment of clarity came with like this snap into where I was and what I was doing. And since then, that's when I decided, well, I'm gonna transition now. I'm gonna get divorced. I'm gonna like actually start being alive now. And it's not like it was a one and done thing, because since then I still regress into that like headspace. Um, I thought for a while I might be a 4, but I think actually I'm a 5 with a strong 4 wing. I think that's more likely the case because of this stuff. But so I still do that retreating thing. I still disassociate, but I don't do it as much, and I don't do it as strongly as I did before. And I guess you could call that like a religious experience, a come to Christ moment in a way. But I term it the waking up into consciousness, because before then I was just like not conscious really. I wasn't conscious of the world around me, and I wasn't conscious of myself, and I just was like an NPC living in autopilot. And you know, I don't want to make it like too grandiose an idea, but I don't want to say like, well, now I'm not an NPC, because you know, maybe I still am. I don't know. But that's when I started taking my YouTube channel more seriously. That's when I started like writing more. That's when I started just doing the things that I always wanted to do but never let myself do, because I was just inside my own little thought bubble. I guess it didn't take that many words, but I guess it took like 6 minutes to explain that little story. Probably could go into more detail, but I don't really see the point in it. So, yeah. Alright, we're gonna do some Linux praxis. Let's see, make sure I put everything I care about. Let's just build it just in case it's gonna be a while before we get back to there. So, yeah, I want to start from scratch on here. I have a lot of little complaints. I tolerate a lot of the things, but I got overzealous and just decided to go with LXDM without really thinking about it, and have since been just tolerating problems with Pulse Audio, problems with everything. So we're starting from scratch. I've already removed or saved off a lot of this stuff from my user folder, but I want to save everything off. So this is right now here. This mount directory is connected to Jagger 2 up there, and it's actually one of those 2 hard drives that were visible for a moment. So this is using SSH FS, so we can just like go into Simply Love. Looks good. Mammon, and then make directory home backup CD, and we just want to, I don't know, make a tar or something of how do we use tar? how do we tar something? So I want info tar. Oh my goodness. Do we want the C to create an archive? I don't know. We don't need V. C argument that sets the name of the archive. F sets the name. and then we give it the location. So CF tar, was it dash CF? Normally, yeah, okay. I know normally, I wanted to know for sure, CF. And we're just gonna call it home. Or actually, since that's what we're gonna be doing. And then it's home slash Jolly. Whoops. Alright, let's remove that. We want to do it as .tar, so we remember. Has this finished downloading it? No. Ooh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, ignore certain things, it's fine. Next, we have the USB device we're going to use. So let's start up on that. File 10. And we want ls block to see what devices we have attached. And it is this one. So, I don't know what kind of partition it is or anything, but it doesn't matter because we're just gonna DD over top of it. Alright, where are you located? Downloads. So DD dash, is it dash? It's dash IF. The end file is HJ, and then void. The OF is dash dev. Is it dash? I don't remember. We'll try it. And hopefully it doesn't fuck everything up. SDB1, or actually I just have SDB, and VS is going to be 4 megabytes, I believe. I think that works. Anything else I need? And sync. Oh. I don't know what I was doing. And DD. That's what I get for, oh, it's uses the equal notation. Okay. I seem to remember it being weird, but I don't know. It's like these little inconsistencies. Bug me. Alright, so that's going. And this is still going. So I'll get back to you when they are both done. We just rebooted. We're going to now install Void Linux. The install was pretty quick and simple, not complicated. But cough. I don't know what the hell is wrong with my throat. Probably too many cigarettes, to be honest. not enough weed, too many cigarettes. So just log in with the default username and password and XVPS. Install, no, wrong. Void. Actually, let's see. I'm curious if it does have WPA supplicant. Cool. Well, it's not configured, so. All right. Keyboard. I got US keyboard. Network. We'll just do this with the camera off. Okay. Just fill in the information, type in WPA in the middle, or WEP if you use WEP. That would be weird, but I do a local install, host name, Mira, locale, EN, time zone, America, Vancouver. Bootloader. Yes, partition. Sure. We can leave that the way it is. Yeah, that's fine. Just make sure the type is Linux, it's bootable. Right. File systems. Root. Yep, and 2 is going to be home. I already fucked up earlier. I already had those partitions in. So we're done there, and then just go install. That's dehydrated. I gotta take my meds. Alright. Pretty close to being done with the basic install. Decided we're gonna go with Enlightenment because it's weird. Haven't done Enlightenment in a while. Let's see what kind of changes there's been. It's pretty hackable, which is pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know. For browser, I'm probably gonna go with Qt browser and Opera. Otter has pissed me off, so. Just unplug the USB. Alright. Mirror login. Okay. We're just changing our shell so I can get tab completion. I want to first get Wi-Fi up. If we ping like nothing, right? Because we don't have Wi-Fi yet. So first of all, we need to start the service. Actually, let's not start the service first. Let's see. WPA supplicant. Oh, we don't need to do that. We just remove. Let's see. WPA supplicant conf. And then we move. Let's see. WPA supplicant 2. Let's see. WPA supplicant.conf. Now we want to start the service. Do that, we just create a symlink from Etsy service WPA supplicant to var services. Var service. That should have started. Let's SV status WPA supplicant. It's up. There we go. This took a while to connect. Alright, so now we have internet. We can update. To update, we run xbps install -su. Now, this is going to take a little while because it needs to get everything. This is everything that's changed in the base install from the base install. So the base install has like a very minimal set of packages, but they get updated, and so all of them need updating. Not all of them, but a lot of them do. All right, so we are now up to date. Time to install some packages. So install -s. We want cron so we can fix our time. We want, what was that called? Okay, I know it starts with a TUI. TUI, let's search it. Query -rst TUI. Greet, that's what it's called. greet D TUI greet. We also want cronny. We want xorg. We want enlightenment. We want draw term. We want Krita. Anything else? We can always install packages individually later, but that should be good enough to get us started. It's a lot of shit. Okay. Alright, we finally got all that shit installed. Time to configure the greeter, and it's under, let's see, greet the, so I don't want to use a greet, I'm going to use shit. Insert and TUI, and then delete tilg. And we're not going to do that. We're going to do X init. Okay, so that's one thing. Next we want to configure our xinit. So we need to touch dot x, what is it? What is it called? How to start X. It's like X profile, xinit RC, xinit RC. And we're gonna xinit RC, and we just wanna do start enlightenment start, and then we're gonna do it in our other account. Touch xinit RC. We also want to turn on cronny and the greeter, so lm-s, let's see, services, let's see, sv greet d into var services. Sudo. And then we also want to do well, we fucked up. Well, shit. By not fucking up in the first place, probably. damn it. Okay. By not fucking up in the first place. How am I gonna fix this? Advanced options, recovery mode. Hopefully this works. So don't fuck up like that. It's bad. Yeah, let's see. Oh, well, that's fine. Probably. Probably fine. I suspect it's fine. We'll see. We'll see if it's fine. Looks fine to me. Fail. How do I command? What the fuck is command? Choose a session. Enlightenment. That should be fine. No. Oh, dbus, right. Got dbus. Let's also let's see. Carnegie into var service. Let's switch. Choose session. Enlightenment. What's the problem? What's the problem, huh? explicit air exit from enlightenment. What's the problem here? We're gonna assume we just need to reboot. When in doubt, assume you need to reboot. I don't know. Could be that it tried to start it before and got into a bad state. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing, you know. There we go. Beautiful. I'm gonna do a little bit bigger. Don't care, don't care. Nope. Cool. Now, we don't have a terminal actually yet. So, that's a bit silly. So let's go, terminology makes sense since we're using enlightenment anyway. And I like terminology, it's pretty decent, so it ain't no X term, that's for sure. What else do I want to install? Probably Qt browser. With all those things it imports, jeez. Oh yeah, okay, gotta remember we need audio too. Do Elsa and A-Pulse. A-Pulse is like an Elsa-based Pulse Audio pretender thing. Both Elsa and Pulse Audio suck, but there's literally nothing to be done about it because we're too entrenched. We'd have to start all over, and basically everything that currently works would be broken, so it's never gonna change. Any attempt to fix audio requires pretending to be either Elsa or Pulse Audio to the programs that already exist, so the amount of overhead you have is just too much for any development process. I had a donut and now my head hurts. It's too much sugar. Oh my goodness. I just want to die. Maybe drinking water will help. sleep or something. I'm gonna wake up a new person. Wake up a new human being. All right. We need to install also and a pulse. Elsa is not in the repository. What the fuck are you talking about? Maybe Elsa's already installed. Because enlightenment or something. Just to be able to test audio. The fuck is that? Alright, so I just mounted my other machine right here. So let's see if we can play some audio. I don't know why I did that. Music. Play track 44. Doesn't know nothing about nothing. No audio. okay. Lib plugins, tools, utils. No, none of that is working at all. None of that is working at all. It doesn't know about anything, so... Oh, what's wrong? Void Linux. Also. Install the also utility. Okay. Alright, maybe it works now. I might need to do something else. Also service. Let's see. Also. I don't know why this doesn't show anything, but it's playing. Alright. What else is there? Guess there's testing draw term. Oh yeah, there's fixing our host file, which we can do pretty easy. Copy. I wonder if it's going to let us do this. I guess so. All right. And let's edit it. This is wrong. All right. We got our host file set up. We got audio. We got browser. We got internet working. Works. All right. Your turn. Cool. I think we're up and running. I think we did it. If there's anything else I forgot, you know, from this point, it's pretty easy to start doing all kinds of shit. So I was working on my website, adding a tag system so that things are a bit easier to navigate. I think kind of like the lane game navigation. And while I was doing that, I was reminded that I had an album called On, and it's like spoken word, kind of. If you watch my YouTube videos, it's kind of like that. They're more focused and better produced than my YouTube videos are generally, I would say, but it's just audio. Because it was when I was in a phase when I wanted to do just audio stuff. And in that, I had a 30-minute rant about no thank you, and why I don't like no thank you. my opinion's kind of changed a little bit. I see where I'm coming from in that video, or that track. And I still kind of agree with most of the points, but I did go a little hard. You know, I called No Thank You a grifter. I've watched a lot more of his content in the more recent period, and yeah, I'd say I like No Thank You now, which is not where I was before, that's for sure. So yeah, it's good stuff. My website is freaking amazing, and has all kinds of shit on it, even shit that I've forgotten about, even though it's not that old. I have a lot more shit that I need to put on there. I think if I spend the next 3 months, most of my spare time, fixing my website, like make that my current little hobby, it'll take the full 3 months to just get the backlog of stuff that I have properly organized and added to it, because yeah, I want to get my YouTube videos on there. I have a way to add archive.org embeds directly, so I can easily just put my videos that are co-uploaded to archive.org on there. Not all of them are, but a lot are. And then I need to put more shit on archive.org so that I can continue to do that. That's a huge endeavor. I need to go through all of my written stuff and add tags for all of that, and that's a lot. Maybe 3 months is overselling the amount of time, but yeah, it's a lot of stuff on there. That's cybersavior.dev. It's cool. Check out the Dempa web ring and stuff, because it has other cool people who have cool websites too. Yeah, more people need to sign up for that. I don't know why there's so few, because yeah, there's other cool people who have cool websites. I know for a fact. There's gotta be.